What's the wildest chain reaction caused by one small lie? So, I told one tiny lie. One, that I knew how to DJ. In my defense, I thought we were just joking around in a group chat. Someone said we needed a DJ for the school dance, and I replied, I got you. Add a wink emoji. Vibe complete. Except apparently, it wasn't a joke. Next thing I know, I'm getting added to a committee chat called Project Vibe Control. They're sending me music themes, lighting preferences. Someone asked if I needed fog. Bro, I barely know how to turn the volume up, but I panic, and instead of backing out like a normal person, I double down. I say, don't worry, I've been spinning sets since 8th grade. What does that even mean? I don't know. I blacked out. Now I'm Googling how to DJ without equipment like I'm prepping for war. The dance is in 6 days. I borrow my cousin's old Bluetooth speaker. I download 3 Spotify playlists and rename them things like House Bangers Volume 1 Inch and Midnight Mayhem Explicit. I rehearse transitions in my bedroom by pretending to twist imaginary knobs and yelling, make some noise, at my laundry. The night of the dance arrives. The room is packed, lights off, kids everywhere, energy through the roof. I walk in with one speaker under my arm and a laptop from 2012. The Bluetooth keeps cutting out. I start sweating. People start chanting, DJ, DJ, and I'm standing there like I'm about to defuse a bomb using SoundCloud. I stall by playing the Macarena. It kind of works. Then I hit play on the playlist and pretend I'm mixing live, even though I'm literally just adjusting the volume slider every 5 seconds like it's a life or death operation. Every time the track fades, I scream, y'all ready for the drop? The next song is Katy Perry. They go wild anyway. People are jumping. My laptop battery is hanging on for dear life. At one point, someone yells, this man's a genius. Sir, I'm playing YouTube ads with Wi-Fi lag. Then disaster strikes. A kid tries to request a song, so I panic click the wrong tab, and the Spotify ads start blasting. Do you have moderate to severe plaque psoriasis? The crowd pauses. I yell, remix, and pretend it was on purpose. They cheer. I survive the night. The next morning, I wake up to 47 new followers and an Instagram story tag that says, best DJ in school history. Book him now. Now people are DMing me for their birthdays. I have 0 skills, but apparently I'm booked next month for a wedding. So yeah, one small lie. Now I'm a local DJ with a $40 speaker, anxiety, and a reputation I can't live up to. Moral of the story, lie with confidence, and always have ad-free Spotify Premium.